Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the issues that may occur while using the shape builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Now, these are some basic issues that many face while using the shape builder tool. So I'm going to draw some objects. I will turn off the fill color. I will copy this using the Alt key or the Option key. I will make one more copy. So like this. Now, what people often do without realizing, they only select, let's say I want to use all the three objects, but people select sometimes, only two objects and then try to create objects or a new object using the three objects. But the thing is, it won't work because now this worked, but this object hasn't done anything. So let's say I want this shield-like shape, this one, but because we have selected only two objects, this won't work like this. So first of all, we need to select all the objects, only then shape builder tool works properly like this. Let's say I want this particular shape, so I will get that particular shape like this. And one more thing, so this is the important thing, I will delete this and I will create some lines like this. Alt, I will press Ctrl D, copy first, Ctrl D to duplicate, or Command D if you are using Mac, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, copy paste, or I will simply use Alt key again. Again, if you want to use these lines as shapes, we have to select all the objects, because if I don't select it, then it won't work like this. So remember, first select all the objects, only then it will work properly like this. And if you want to apply color, simply choose any color that you want and click, so it will apply the color. And remember one more thing, once you create a new shape using the old shapes, the older shapes will no longer be there, so it will convert into new shape. So some people might think that the shape builder tool creates new shape, but it keeps the old shapes intact, but that isn't the case. So remember, once you create a new shape, I will show you one more time. Once you create a new shape using the shape builder tool like this, I will apply any color, so the old shapes disappear, they get converted into new shapes like this. So it doesn't keep the old shapes, that is the point. And one more thing, I will undo this. So these are the original objects. So if you want to remove certain area, you can simply press Alt or Option key, select shape builder tool, Alt or Option, and simply drag to the area that you don't want like this, So Alt or Option key to use or to reduce the area or to remove the area that you don't want. So these are some properties that you should take into consideration while using the shape builder tool. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.